Hi, welcome to my channel INFOMEDS. Today we will discuss Daonil 5mg, Glibenclamide, tablet. Daonil 5mg, Glibenclamide, tablet uses. Daonil 5mg, Glibenclamide, tablet side effects. Daonil 5mg, Glibenclamide, tablet contraindication. And in the end, we will tell where Daonil 5mg, Glibenclamide, tablet can be used in pregnancy and during breastfeeding or not. So let's start this informative video. Daonil 5mg, Glibenclamide, tablet is an anti-diabetic medicine, which contains glibenclamide, also known as gliburide, as its active ingredient. It is used to treat type 2 diabetes mellitus. Uses of Daonil 5mg. Daonil 2.5 mg tablet is used for the reduction of blood sugar levels in patients suffering from type 2 diabetes mellitus. If you have type 2 diabetes mellitus, you need to use this tablet. By using this tablet, you may develop some side effects, which are heartburn, abdominal fullness, yellow-colored eyes or skin, dark-colored urine, fever or chills, swelling of face, lips, tongue, etc. Unusual bleeding, fast heartbeat, unusual tiredness and weakness, headache, dizziness, vomiting and nausea, low blood sugar level. What are the dosages of Daonil 5mg? Initial, 2.5 to 5 mg POQ day 4 time. Maintenance, dose 1.25 to 20 mg POQ day or Q 12 hours. Contraindications of Daonil 5mg. If you are allergic to glibenclamide or any other ingredients of Daonil 5mg tablet. If you have problems with your liver or kidney. If you have type 1 diabetes. If you are in a diabetic coma. What are the precautions and warnings of Daonil 5mg? Don't use Daonil tablets during pregnancy. You should consult your doctor before starting this medicine. Glibenclamide may pass into breast milk. Thus, Daonil 5mg tablet should not be used while breastfeeding. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe INFOMEDS for more informative videos.